Welcome to EATLAB channel. See how everything is made. Stay with us throughout the process.
Of us. The wet oranges pass under powerful air knives, blowing high-velocity filtered air downward. Water droplets
flow rate is optimal. Agreed. Batch 2847 is looking good.
The fresh juice flows from the collection tank through stainless steel pipes to the filtration area.
तेती कोडने क्रोमाकिलियोस जाएंगे लागे से दिसना सर कौन सा आते हैं मैंने लसेन को ते इंकेन है जिसको भी ब्लॉकलिस
Immediately after pasteurization, the juice passes through a cooling section of the heat exchanger. Cold water circulates.
Here in our facility, quality control is paramount. We continuously monitor the juice as it This safety system detects any metal contamination. A green light flashes for each passing box.
The robotic palletizer continues building the pallet, alternating layer patterns for stability. The second layer is rotated 90 degrees from the first.
The pulp additive bottles receive the same capping, sealing, and coating processes.
In another section of the facility, a premium line produces fresh squeezed juice in glass bottles for high-end retail markets.
Nhị nồng nhàn sướng trầm lâu thẩm cam tổng. Dịp sen sơn thẩm thần thám sao ra từ bằng ngắp chìm sản phẩm thả trường long sản sướng cam cào đi.
These. Across the factory floor, yet another line produces frozen concentrated orange juice. This
Storage lid. The sealed tubes of concentrate move on a conveyor into a blast freezer. The tubes spend 45 minutes in the freezer.
Make sure those sensors are perfectly calibrated.
Conveyor belt section replaced and sanitized.
Filling head is reassembled and ready.
Environmental responsibility is integral to our operations, ensuring water is managed sustainably.
Okay, team. Batch 7 is running smoothly. Keep an eye on press number 3. It was acting up a bit.
The approved oranges from the new delivery join the production stream. They enter the washing station, where spray nozzles clean the fruit.
Brokje Jonesedi, Yakis symbolics than the Pangi is my tire. I'm not getting because it down and cheap I keep on this wouldn't.
Here's the purchase order for today's pickup.
All right, let me check this. Everything looks in order. Your bats are ready.
The new orange and grapefruit blend is tasting great.
The citrus notes are perfectly balanced.
Today, we will cover our factory's safety protocols and quality standards, essential for everyone's well-being and productivity.
And processes. The larger 32-ounce bottles move through the same filling, capping, sealing, labeling, and inspection processes.
ETA for shipment 734 is now 14:30.
Roger that. Updating the retailer now.
All right, this pallet's ready for regional grocers. Got it, I'll add it to the shipment. From Florida groves to your table, that's how fresh orange juice is made. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to EATLAB channel for more factory process videos.